Thank you.
3rd Ave, Cape Ann.
Go ahead for 3rd.
Hey, good afternoon. Cape Ann inbound, Yacht and so.
Copy.
Sunrise Boulevard, Sunrise Boulevard. Raiders northbound standing by for your next opening. This is inbound Indian Summer, right behind Northland.
7th Avenue Bridge preparing to open. Requesting vessels stay outside the fenders till the bridge is fully open, please. You're welcome. Caution, 7th Ave is closing. Caution.
Avenue, Indian Summer clear, thank you.
Clear, we'll see you later.
And we're inbound.
Still away for Cape Ann, I just went through 7.
Kinda in a crunch, but, the Cape Ann is still towing.
Hey, go ahead.
Hey, John, how are you making out?
Andrews inbound.
Andrews?
Andrews, I got traffic. As soon as I can make it safe and clear this traffic, I'll start a lift. Thanks, Eddie.
Hey, Brian, you copy that there at Andrews?
The vessel Northland that came through 7th inbound. It's Northland, go ahead. It's Northland, go ahead.
Cape Ann, coming around the girls' school, water taxi Lauderdale. I'm gonna hold here on the wall till you come by.
Chris is here.
Inbound at Andrews.
Caution, Andrews Avenue Bridge is going up, requesting vessels remain outside the fender system until the bridge is fully raised.
Security.
Cape Ann, you got about 5 little boats coming all over the place at you. We'll see you later.
Okay. Copy that.
Behind you.
3rd Avenue, Cape Ann towing inbound, boating out in tow. Like to have an opening, please.
Third copy.
Skyler, you got me? Got CLV right behind you.
Yeah, Cape and Andrews. You got a name on that inbound?
Which one, Andy? The first one?
Right. First one.
Samara.
Copy.
Samara.
Caution.
Andy, I'm going up.
Andrews Avenue is closing.
Thank you, Dania Bridge, thank you.
Third to Andrews. I'm going up.
Answer me. Copy that.
Security call, inbound Indian Summer, 62 Alaska, coming into the window.
Third inbound. I'm holding at Andrews.
Well, thanks, Andy. I'll come as quick as I can. I'm just at the bridge now.
Sunrise, thank you for the opening. Raiders clear.
You're welcome. Caution, caution. 3rd Avenue Bridge is closing. Caution.